Hey, it's Dr. Karen with this week's Hot Topic. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media so you never miss another hot topic. So today I want to talk to you about pickles. Now you might be thinking, why would I ever talk to you about pickles? Well, just note that if they didn't have some kind of health benefit, I probably wouldn't be talking to you about them on a hot topic. So let's just dive right into this. So like most vegetables, pickles, which are cucumbers, are almost all water and they have very little fat or protein. So they also have a high concentration of vitamins because of that salty brine that draws them out from the water that make the pickles. Now, their nutritional values also depend on what type of pickle. Like you can get dill pickles, bread and butter, zesty. I mean, sky's the limit with pickles, fermented pickles. But let's take a whole dill pickle, for example. So it has about 23% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin K, which helps your blood clot and also keeps your bones strong. Between like 20 and 24% of daily vitamin of vitamin A, which is important for vision, immune system, and also a healthy pregnancy. 7% of calcium that adults need for strong bones and teeth and healthy nerves are a part of pickles. 5% of your daily requirement of potassium, which helps your nerves work properly, which is chiropractors. And then you have a very small amount of vitamin C in them, which is just an antioxidant that can protect your cells from damage. So here are the four main health benefits of eating pickles. So it helps digestion. Now, in particular, fermented pickles, they are a good source of bacteria and the probiotics, which are really important for gut health. So you're going to get that with a fermented pickle. It's also good for helping fight disease. So cucumbers are high in antioxidants called a beta carotene, which is your body turns into vitamin A. And carotene is a powerful compound that's been shown to help lower your chances of having issues or dying from heart disease, stroke, cancer, respiratory diseases, and other conditions. The third thing it's good for is helps ease muscle cramps. So some athletes swear by pickle juice after they exercise too quickly because it helps replace those lost electrolytes. So they've done some studies and they actually find that pickle juice may work slightly better than water to relieve muscle cramping. But again, there's not a whole lot of research that goes or prods, but just there. The last thing it's good for is it's curbing sugar spikes. So pickle juice specifically in the vinegar can help keep your blood sugar levels even, and it's actually really good for people who are at risk for diabetes that need that extra sugar. One thing that you do have to be careful of, a big drawback about pickles, is they are in salt. So just a large dill pickle has about 2/3 the amount of average sodium that an adult should have for the whole day. So too much salt in your diet can actually raise your blood sugar, your blood pressure, which in turn increases your chances for heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and kidney disease. So don't go all hog wild on eating dill pickles. Sodium can also leach calcium from your bones, which can also weaken your bones and increase your risk for broken bones. Now, if you're curious how to make pickles at home, so there are two main ways that you can make pickles yourself. So one way is to brine them with vinegar. Again, you take cucumbers and put them in vinegar. The other way is to ferment the cucumbers with just salt and water. So no matter the method, it's just follow these general tips. So pick the cucumbers. You want them fresh, firm, and damaged free. You use canning salt or pickling salt, so the other salts could kind of cloud up the brine. So you want to make sure they're actually specifically for pickling. You can add dill seed, horseradish, mustard seed, garlic, and any other spices you want. And then you follow boiling and canning instructions carefully to prevent the bad bacteria from growing inside. So on your little mason jars, there's directions. And then you keep those pickles sealed in jars for several weeks, and then you can eat them. So that's the most simplest, basic way that you can make pickles at home. So you know they're healthy, they're good, because you've picked your cucumbers and you're turning it into there. So that is my little tidbit for pickles, cucumbers. They're all healthy for you. Again, it just depends on how you make them, how many you eat, and what kind you eat. So just some things to keep in the back of your mind. But otherwise, pickles, they're pretty good. So I prefer the salt, or not the salt ones, but the bread and butter ones. I know most people prefer dill, but it is just kind of what you prefer. All right, that's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you guys next time.